Now we're going to learn how to do a Prezi. So you're going to go to Prezi.com. You're going to click on Sign Up Now. You're going to scroll down to it till you see Free, and then you're going to click on Get. Now you can type in your username that you used before, and you can make up a last name or type in initials. Type in your email address. Type in your password. Type in your password again. Type in the letters that you see. Click on I understand and click Register and Continue. Now click on the button that says New Prezi, and you're going to give it a title and click on New Prezi. A demo box will pop up if you wanted to watch it. I'm just going to exit out for now. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set up all my colors. So this is your menu bar over here. I'm going to click on Colors and Fonts, and I'm going to click on Theme Wizard. And this is where you can change all of your colors. I'm going to make my background blue and then hit Next. Now I want my first title to be the biggest, and I want it to be bright yellow. Now my second title, I want it to be a little bit smaller than my first title, and let's make it red. And then your body, you want that to be a smaller font. So I'm just actually going to keep it the size that it is. But I'm going to make the color of the font white so it shows up better. And hit Next. Now my circle, let's see what green looks like. Nope, let's make it blue instead. Okay, for my frame, let's see what orange looks like. Okay, I'm going to make that orange. And then for my arrow, no. All right, I'll stick with green. And then if I need to highlight something, see what looks best. I think I'll make it pink. And then you just click Done. And voila. And you know what? I do not like that font, so I can go back and I am going to change this font. So you can go back and change it if you need to. And Next, and Done. Now, you can either double click and delete, or you can click one time and you get these zebra circles. Now, the zebra circles, if you touch the one in the center, it will move things side to side or up and down wherever you need it to go. If you click the second circle, it's how you make things bigger and smaller. If you click the third circle, you can twist it any way you'd like to. And if you click the plus sign, you can delete. Now make sure that your menu bar is on right when you're ready to actually type your text. Okay, we're going to make a little Prezi on dogs. So I'm going to double click and I'm going to type and I'm going to use my very first title, so my font is big. Now up here you can take it to the left side, you can center it, take it to the right side, you can put bullets on it. Oops, make that a little bigger, pull it out to make it the size that you need it. I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to center it, and then I'm just going to click OK. So anything that you need to type, just double click. Now, when you want to insert pictures, you go back up to your menu and click on Insert. Now you can insert YouTube videos, and when the load file is where you're going to insert your photos or your images, pictures. But first we need to find our picture. So find a picture that you want to upload onto your Prezi. You are going to right click the picture. You are going to go up to Save Picture As. And I don't care if you save it to your documents, your pictures, your desktop, wherever you want to save it. And then click Save. Now you're going to go back to your Prezi. You're going to click on Insert, and then you are going to click on Load File. And I've got to go down, and I've got to find my picture. And right here it is. Double click, and you can move your picture just like you did your text. Now I want to be able to see my text and my picture and my arrow all at the same time. So I am going to frame it. So I'm going to go back over here to my menu to frame. And you have several different frames to choose from. You can use brackets, a circle, a full colored frame, or a hidden frame. Let's use our full colored frame. And you're just going to start in the corner and drag it all the way across everything that you want to see at the same time. Now I found a funny YouTube video on dogs that I want to use. So I go up to my URL, and I'm going to copy, and then I go back to my Prezi, go back to my menu, click on Insert, click on YouTube, and I'm going to paste that URL address and click OK. And I can move it anywhere I want to, make it bigger or smaller. Now if I want to see it, I can go back over here, click on my menu, click on Show, and then I can watch the video to see what it looks like. Okay, now you're ready to set your path. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to shrink this so that I can see my entire project. I'm going to go back over to my menu. I'm going to click on Path, click on One to Add, and then I'm going to click in the order that I want it to follow. Okay, now I want to see what it looks like, so I'm going to go over here, click on Show, and then I'm going to click on where I want it to begin, go down here to my arrow, and it's going to follow the path that I have created. So I hope this helps. Good luck and have fun.